What if I told you that the biggest money is made before the market moves, not after? Right now, most people are doing exactly the wrong thing. They buy when prices are high, panic when prices drop, and miss the biggest opportunities. But smart investors? They prepare before the shift happens. And in this video, I'm going to show you the real, proven ways people use to potentially double their money without gambling, without hype, and without luck. Stay till the end, because one of these strategies could completely change your financial future. Let's get one thing clear. There is no guaranteed way to double your money overnight. Anyone who tells you that is lying. But there are smart, proven strategies that give you a real chance to grow your money fast, especially when the market is about to shift. And right now, we're in one of those moments. Understanding market shifts. Markets move in cycles. There's a time to buy, a time to hold, and a time to sell. Most people only notice opportunities when it's already too late. But the real money? It's made when things feel uncertain, when fear is high, and when others are sitting on the sidelines. That's where opportunity lives. Strategy 1. Buy when others are fearful. This idea comes from one of the greatest investors ever, Warren Buffett. He said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." Here's what that means. When markets crash, people panic and sell. Prices drop, sometimes way below real value. That's when smart investors start buying, not randomly, but carefully, choosing strong companies, solid assets, and long-term opportunities. Because when the market recovers, and it always does, those assets can grow significantly. Strategy 2. Invest in index funds. If you don't want to pick individual stocks, there's a simpler strategy: index funds. Funds like the S&P 500 track the overall market. Instead of betting on one company, you invest in hundreds at once. Historically, the market has returned around 7 to 10% per year on average. Now here's the power. When markets dip and recover, your investment compounds faster. This isn't fast money, but over time, it's one of the safest ways to grow wealth. Strategy 3. Dollar cost averaging. Timing the market perfectly? Almost impossible. That's why smart investors use something called dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing all your money at once, you invest small amounts consistently, weekly or monthly. This way, when prices are high, you buy less. When prices are low, you buy more. Over time, your average cost drops, and when the market rises again, your returns can be powerful. Strategy 4. High-income skills. Here's something most people ignore. Your biggest asset isn't the market, it's you. Learning high-income skills like sales, marketing, or digital business can double your income faster than any investment. And when your income grows, you have more capital to invest, which means more growth, more opportunities, and faster wealth building. Strategy 5. Invest in undervalued opportunities. Before every major market shift, there are assets that are undervalued. This could be stocks in a temporary downturn, real estate in a slow market, new industries before they boom. The key is research, not hype, not trends, real data. Because when the market catches up, those undervalued assets can multiply. Strategy 6. Avoid emotional decisions. This is where most people lose money. Emotion. Fear makes you sell too early. Greed makes you buy too late. Smart investors, they follow a plan. They don't panic during crashes. They don't chase hype during booms. They stay disciplined. And that's what protects their money and grows it over time. You might be wondering, how do I know when the market is about to shift? The truth is, you don't know exactly. No one does. But there are signals. High fear in the market, falling prices, negative news everywhere. That's usually when opportunities start forming. Let's be real. Doubling your money isn't about luck. It's about positioning, being ready before everyone else reacts. Because by the time something becomes obvious, the opportunity is already gone. So here's your game plan. Stay consistent with investing, focus on long-term growth, learn valuable skills, ignore hype and noise, think like an investor, not a gambler. Do this, and you won't just survive market shifts, you'll profit from them. Remember, the market doesn't reward speed, it rewards discipline. And the next big opportunity, it won't wait for you to be ready. So the question is, will you prepare now or regret later?